and welcome to Mactac Mart. I'm going to present you the 2012 collection of Terrani Couture, which is style number P656. So it's this beautiful high-low dress, animal print, which is really fashionable right now. So you have the bustier line, you have flexible boning into it to give you a really nice and tight fit, but it's flexible, so it's going to be really comfortable and it's going to give you an amazing shape. The cups is cup integrated. It has a small little tiny padding, but it's great for the supports. And then you have the sweetheart neckline and this great applique lace on top of the animal prints. So then you have the bustier line finishing on point on the front, which gives a very nice effect to the dress. Of course, you have the ruched little high-low skirt, and of course you have the long train to show the beautiful dress off while you walk. The whole dress has a trim of leopards all onto the train, which gives a really nice reminding onto the leopard's top. The style number of this dress is again P656, and you can find the new collection of Terrani Couture on www.mactacmart.com. Thank you.